Hi, I'm Stacy San Juan from the Michi Home Office, here to share with you our amazing promos for the month of June. I don't know about you, but sometimes I have a hard time finding the perfect gift for my dad and husband for Father's Day. But thankfully, Michi has made it super easy to shop this year. We have the perfect gift for the men in your life that they are going to love. We've created this impressive men's line just in time for June. All of these items come with this marbled gray faux leather with a small check pattern inside that's perfect for what every guy needs. And throughout the month of June, when you host a qualifying party for 350 or more, you can get this striking briefcase or this duffel bag for 50% off. Take a look at this briefcase. It perfectly fits a laptop inside. Also, it has a padded pocket to hold that laptop. There's also some great pockets that can easily fit paperwork, pens, your cell phone, your keys. Everything is thought through and is customized for the perfect laptop so that the man in your life can look good going to and from work as he carries all of his supplies. This duffel bag will make going to the gym stylish and convenient. The bag is deep inside and holds shoes, clothing, and workout gear effortlessly. It comes with short handles or even an adjustable strap so that you can carry it and throw it over your shoulder and go. There's also a special deal for customers this month as well. Spend $50 or more and you can get this laptop case, this wallet, or even this DOP kit at 50% off. This traditional style DOP kit has a deep pocket that holds razors, shaving cream, toothbrush, and more. Everything that helps the guy look and smell great stores neatly inside. This laptop sleeve is the right size to safely carry a laptop and includes a front zipper pocket to hold all the essential cables. And who doesn't need a wallet? This tri-fold wallet has enough slots to hold cards and cash, and your dad and husband will look notable while using it. I'm not even a father and I want to get my hands on some of these. You can be sure to get these for the men in your life by hosting or attending a party or even shopping online with your independent Michi representative today.